All right, let's jump straight into this explainer because what we're looking at today has absolutely massive potential. We are breaking down the $0 startup world of YouTube automation in 2026. And look, this isn't about setting up a ring light in your bedroom and just hoping to go viral, right? This is about engineering a highly efficient media machine from the ground up using practically free AI tools. Now, to really ground this abstract idea of automation into reality, think about this number, $2,000. According to YouTube automation expert Safir Shah, whose 2026 masterclass we're unpacking today, that is the exact amount one of his students recently pulled in from a single video that hit 1 million views. Literally, just let that sink in for a second. One video, $2,000. Orchestrated entirely from a laptop without ever stepping in front of a lens, setting up lights, or buying crazy expensive camera gear. And honestly, that perfectly illustrates what YouTube automation actually is at its core. It's about building and managing a system. You aren't editing, you're not narrating, and you're not acting. You're shifting your entire identity from a stressed-out creator, or just a passive consumer, into an empowered system architect. You're the manager. You dictate the overarching strategy, you pick the niche, and the AI tools, well, they act as your specialized team working around the clock. So, how do we actually build this? Here is our 5-step masterclass syllabus: pleasing the algorithm, finding your winning niche, prompt engineering for scripts, AI voice and audio, and finally, generating the final video. Let's kick things off with Section 1, pleasing the algorithm, the absolute foundation of your channel. Look, before you touch a single AI tool, you urgently need to understand YouTube's ruthless demand for engagement. The algorithm doesn't really care about you, it literally only cares about keeping viewers on the platform. And that boils down to just 2 metrics that actually matter. First up is CTR, or click-through rate. This gets him in the door. It's your captivating title and your eye-catching thumbnail. Without a high CTR, your video basically doesn't exist to the algorithm. Then you have AVD, or average view duration. That is what keeps them in the room. You secure a strong AVD by nailing a powerful hook in the first 30 seconds and maintaining incredibly tight pacing with 0 dead air. Safer notes that when both your CTR and your AVD are locked in, YouTube will just naturally push your content to millions. It is literally the engine of the whole operation. Moving right along to Section 2, finding your winning niche, where strategy absolutely trumps AI. Safir actually shared a pretty painful anecdote about this. When he first started, he wasted 8 whole months simply because he picked a bad niche and rode a dying trend. Ouch. To avoid that exact mistake, you really need to understand your options. On one side, we've got evergreen niches. Think personal finance, tech breakdowns, or health and fitness. Now, the growth trajectory here is kind of a slow start, but the income is incredibly stable over time. Safir actually has a channel from 3 years ago that is literally still paying him today because the content is universally evergreen. Then on the other side, we have viral niches. Things like breaking news, celebrity drama, or massive trends. These give you a fast explosion of views and instant cash. We're talking maybe $2,000 to $3,000 in a matter of hours. But they come with a very quick, steep decline. Which brings us to a harsh truth. Fidget spinners are dead. I know it's a funny example, but it perfectly highlights the extreme danger of building an entire automated channel around a fleeting, short-lived trend. Once that trend inevitably dies out, your channel goes right down with it. You have to be highly strategic. You have to ask yourself, do you want slow, reliable cash, or fast, risky spikes? All right, Section 3, prompt engineering for scripts. Let's look at the tech stack. Now that you've got your niche sorted out, we enter the deliberate instructional phase of AI script writing. Listen to this incredible insight from the Samara blog's 2026 guide to AI script writing. They say, creators who rely on AI without understanding where it fails end up producing generic, forgettable content. This hits the nail right on the head. This is the core of the human-in-the-loop concept. If you blindly rely on an AI to just write you a script, your channel will be dead on arrival. AI cannot read your mind, and honestly, it completely defaults to being boring if you let it. So to avoid that generic output, think of prompt engineering as a bridge. A prompt is simply the bridge between the strategic ideas in your human head and the AI's creative output. If you build a weak bridge, like just typing, hey, write me a video about a natural disaster, you're gonna get a confusing, repetitive, and incredibly generic output. But a strong bridge? One that's fed with specific context, tone, formatting requirements, and pacing instructions, that yields viral-ready, clear, and highly professional results that actually sound like a real human wrote them.
Let's walk through exactly how to build that strong bridge using a brilliant time-saving workflow. Step 1, go find a highly successful viral video from a competitor in your niche and grab its transcript. Step 2, feed that transcript into an AI like ChatGPT and ask it for a deep tone analysis. You want it to identify the pacing, the vocabulary, and the target audience. Something like authoritative but conversational, aimed at 18 to 35-year-olds interested in passive income. Now step 3 is where the magic happens. You ask the AI to create a universal script prompt based on that exact successful data framework. And finally, step 4, you take that master prompt and feed it into Claude to generate your actual script. Why Claude? Well, Saphir explicitly notes that ChatGPT often struggles with length, usually tapping out at around 1,000 words. If you want a proper 15 to 25-minute documentary-style script, Claude is vastly superior for hitting that high, consistent word count in one single go without completely losing the plot. Let's transition to Section 4, AI voice and audio, setting the tone. Okay, so you've got this great script, right? But if you use a robotic, lifeless voice, you will absolutely destroy your average view duration. The AI voice is literally the personality of your Faceless channel. A smooth, clear, human-sounding voice instantly builds trust and credibility with the viewer, and that directly increases how long people watch. Plus, your voice choice sets the entire emotional pace and tone. You obviously wouldn't use a highly energetic, fast-talking sports announcer voice for a serious historical breakdown, right? You have to match the tone to the niche. And here's a massive bonus. Having a solid audio tool allows for global language expansion. With just one click, you can translate an English video into Spanish, French, Japanese, instantly multiplying your reach and your revenue across the globe. For 2026, the Masterclass says the absolute premier choice for this is the Speak tool. It is hyper simple to use and incredibly affordable. We're talking about $17 a month. But the absolute standout feature here is the custom voice cloning. You can literally record just 30 seconds of your own natural voice, even if your English isn't perfect, and the AI will impeccably clone it to read your massive generated scripts flawlessly. It completely guarantees your channel sounds utterly unique in a sea of generic AI voices. That is a massive competitive advantage. Finally, Section 5, generating the final video. Let's explore some visual AI tools. Now we're turning those awesome scripts and high-quality audio files into captivating visuals to bring the whole automated blueprint to life. And you've got a suite of highly capable, virtually free visual AI tools at your disposal right now. First up is Google Image FX. It is absolutely unparalleled for generating photorealistic, high CTR thumbnails that just grab attention. Then, for text-to-video, which is literally the holy grail right now, Google VO3, which you can often access through platforms like Flow, is just incredible. It handles fluid, cinematic movement and even bakes background music and sound effects right into the native render. And hey, if one platform happens to be lagging or doing a massive update, you've got immensely powerful instant backups like Meta AI and Grok. Top automation agencies rely on these heavily right now to keep their production pipelines moving without a single interruption. All of this brings us right to our core takeaway for today. AI is merely the vehicle. Human strategy is the driver. We've talked extensively about Claude and Speak and VO3, but honestly, those phenomenal tools are completely worthless without the human architect. That's you. Analyzing the CTR, crafting the perfect prompt bridge, ruthlessly researching the right niche. Your strategy, your management, and your taste are what actually build a profitable system. Which leaves us with this final, somewhat provocative thought. The AI tools are basically free. The blueprint is mathematically proven by creators who are making thousands of dollars a month. So what is actually stopping you from building your system today? You've got the architecture. You know the exact workflow. Now it's time to build. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I genuinely cannot wait to see the incredible automated systems you guys create.